Click the top link down below in the description. Go cop yourself a sticker for $9.99. You guys are going to be entered in to win, first of all, Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s, but we're also going to have other winners for University Blue Jordan 1s, Mochas, Hyper Royals, Fire Red 4s, Man Air Jordan 3s, Yeezys, and a whole bunch more. Make sure you guys click the top link down below in the description. Go cop a sticker for $9.99. And once again, one of you guys is going to win these Travis Scott Jordan 1s. But we're going to have other winners as well. I want to give back to you, and this is my best way of doing it. $9.99. We're going to keep them limited. We'll run it for a few weeks, and then we'll pick out some winners. So be sure to go cop your sticker. Top link down below in the description. I appreciate you guys. In this box, we have a pair of Air Jordan 1s that has dropped in price since its release, and this Jordan 1 is going to take a while to go up in price in most sizes. Some sizes I would say you could hold on to, they might go up even more, but this sneaker for the most part is going to brick. It's going to take a little bit to actually hit some decent numbers. Let's take a look at this Air Jordan 1. This Jordan 1 is a women's exclusive. Women's sizes for this Jordan 1 right here, this is a size 12, which means it is a size 10.5 in men's. This is a clean Jordan 1. In my opinion, not a must-have, because we have other Jordan 1s that are similar in color that I think are just better releases. One of them has released this year. But right here we have the Air Jordan 1 women's exclusive silver toe. This is a really dope Air Jordan 1 in my opinion. However, for the most part, they've dropped to around $200 on StockX. $220, $210. They're clean. I like the colorway. They're just not popping like that. And there's a few reasons, in my opinion, of why. I believe women's sneakers take longer to go up in price. For the most part, the off-white 4s is kind of like the exclusion, I feel like. Other than that, most women's releases take a long time to go up in price because it's a women's shoe. For some reason, they just take quite a bit longer. At the end of the day, this is still a Jordan 1. I'm not sure why we do that. Why do women's releases take longer to go up? It really doesn't make that much sense to me because it's still a Jordan 1. The Man Air Jordan 3s are a women's Air Jordan 3, but it's still a Jordan 3. I don't understand why we do that, but women's releases do take longer. Also, another reason I think this is going to take longer is because of the satin material. For some reason, satin doesn't do well on resale for the most part, except for the Jordan 1s that are all satin, the very limited bread royal colorway. Besides those, for the most part, satin Jordan 1s just take a long time to go up, and a lot of them drop in price like these have. Another reason I think they'll continue to stay where they are is because of the silver. It's girly, I would say for a lot of people might think it's girly. I don't think it's girly, but I think a lot of people might think it's girly much out there, so I can understand that. It does look like it'll flake off. I don't think it will, but it does look like it will, especially there on the toe box. However, this is a very clean colorway, black toe colorway, which does help the sneaker. The black leather, the white leather around the toe, it's soft. It's really soft, really nice leather. They do have Nike Air on the tongue, so we all love to see that. Black bottom and your white midsole. So it's a clean Air Jordan 1 with the black toe color blocking. They're just gonna take way too long to go up in price in most sizes. The bigger sizes, 12.5 and up for the most part, are $350, which is crazy. I could definitely see those sizes maybe going up a little bit faster because they were more limited and the prices are already pretty good, so I could see maybe those being a hold. But for the most part, I don't think these are really a hold. I don't. Maybe if you want to, maybe the smaller sizes because of women, it being a women's release, but even then there's better investments out there. So I would say for most of you, hold off on this Jordan 1. Do not go out there spending crazy money. Other Jordan 1s out there to go hold. This is a clean colorway, and hey, for the personal, they're clean. I really like the colorway and the color blocking. Of course, we got the black toe. They are silver. I think that's what it's doing it as well, hurting it. The silver instead of it just being gray. We do have the Shadow 2.0s that released this year that are, in my opinion, a lot better than this sneaker. And those are must-haves, not really these. For me personally, I'd rather have the Shadow 2.0. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about these Jordan 1s. At the end of the day, this is a clean Air Jordan 1 that you can't go wrong with. Color blocking is there. Quality's there. They're going to be comfortable. It's a Jordan 1 high OG at the end of the day. It's what we want with a solid colorway. They're really wearable, good personal in my opinion, and they're affordable. A lot of Jordan 1s have crazy resale that we all know. It annoys a lot of us. A lot of us, we make a lot of money on it. A lot of us, we just say, hey, it is what it is, we'll pay it, and we get the shoes that we really want. I'm a little bit of all of it, to be honest. But the honest truth is that this is a clean Jordan 1 that you really cannot go wrong with. And they're not crazy in price for most people out there. The bigger sizes is where they're at $350, but other than that, get them for right around that $220 price, which is not bad. $170 retail plus tax, shipping, maybe a few dollars more, and you got yourself a very dope clean Jordan 1, man. They're clean. They do come with that nice Nike Air hang tag and some extra laces, so if you want to make them, you know, stand out a little more, you do have the gray laces and the black laces already on the shoe. Let me know what you guys think about the silver toe Air Jordan 1 down below in the comments. Let me know if you agree with me or disagree with me. Do you think that these are going to go up in price? When do you think they'll go up in price? I do think they will go up. I think it's just not worth holding on to. I think they'll take too long to go up. I'm talking like a year and a half, 2 years, even longer to really be worth the money. And to me, it's not worth holding. Definitely not worth holding, but a very clean, wearable Jordan 1 at the end of the day. So if you like them, go out there, go cop them for the affordable price that they are now before it's too late. Once again, more family, click that top link down below in the description. Go cop yourself a sticker for $9.99. You can win some really dope sneakers, some hype sneakers, like someone's gonna win these Travis Scott Jordan 1s, but I'm also doing University Blue 4s, University Blue 1s, Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1s, Fire Red 4s, Armour Air 3s, Yeezys, the list goes on, a bunch of shoes. Be sure to click that top link down below in the description. For $9.99, you're getting a sticker and a chance at some really dope hype sneakers. Good luck. Make sure you guys go cop. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up if you guys enjoyed today's video. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.